Everyone, in this video we will continue speaking about the print function, specifically how we can separate our arguments by new lines. So the second argument that we can pass to our print function is sep. Now the default, we can see that the default value for sep is actually a space. So the default value of sep is a space. Now what does it do? It acts as a separator if there are multiple objects passed. So over here we've got our first object, second, third and fourth. Now if you run the program and I passed in the first value which comes in from the user, and we can see that every object is actually separated by a space. That's if we don't have to specify that it's a space because it is the default value. But if we wanted to actually separate it by a new line, then we need to specify what sep is by putting a new value, which is \n. So now if we run the program and type in test, here is the default, but here is our objects separated by a new line. So I hope this helps you decide how you want to separate your objects that you pass to the print function. And I'll see you in future ones.